Good morning, everybody. Here's your core bites number 116. Number 1 says Pearson bought 5 boxes of pencils. Each box contained 20 pencils. How many pencils did Pearson buy altogether? So you can do 5 times 20. And because you have that 0 right here, you can do 5 times 2 is 10. Add the 0. So you would get 100 pencils. Pencils would be your unit because that is what you're measuring. You're measuring how many pencils you have. For number 2, how do you write this number using digits? 400,000. So that would be 400,000. So make sure you have your comma for your period there. For number 3, multiply and simplify your answer. So what you do, you would just put a 1 under there and just multiply across. So 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 4 is 4. Then you would have to divide. So you would do 15 by 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 15 minus 12 would give you 12, 13, 14, 15 would give you 3. So your remainder would be 3. You're over 4. You cannot simplify that any further, so your answer would be 3 3/4. For number 4, which is less, 3 liters or 295 milliliters? Okay, so the answer is 295 milliliters, but let's try to figure out how many milliliters make a liter. So let's see, milliliters in a liter. I feel like it's 1,000. All right, let me try again. And you may have this in a chart in your planner. So that might also be a good place to look. Okay, yep, there are 1,000. So there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So if you have 3 liters, that technically would be 3,000 milliliters, and you've only got 295, so that is a lot less, okay? And then for the bottom, what shape is represented? It is a triangle, but if you notice, each of the sides are equal. So we would call that an equilateral triangle. All right, guys, check yours, and please let us know if you have any questions about any of these math problems so we can help you get through it.